Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we cut through the hype and bring you honest, detailed reviews of cutting-edge devices. If you love tech that pushes limits, especially for gaming and performance, you're in the right place. The REDMAGIC Astra has arrived, and it's being called one of the most powerful gaming tablets right now. A compact form, high-end hardware, and features built for serious gamers. But does it deliver seamless performance, or are there trade-offs you'll notice? Let's dive in. The first thing to lay out are the specifications. The Astra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, paired with a companion gaming coprocessor called RedCore R3 Pro, which boosts gaming performance. It comes in several RAM and storage configurations, 12, 16, or 24 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and storage options like 256 GB, 512 GB, or even 1 TB of UFS 4.1 Pro. There are dual cameras, a 13MP rear cam and a 9MP front cam. It has Wi-Fi 6/6E, Bluetooth 5.4, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, with DisplayPort output and an 8200 mAh battery. Now about design and build quality, the Astra is surprisingly manageable for what it packs. It has a 9.06-inch OLED screen, but the body is fairly slender, about 6.9 mm thick, and weighs around 370 g. The finish is premium, with RGB lighting on the back for that gamer flair, yet material seems solid, metal frame components, good assembly, minimal flex. It has symmetrical bezels, good ergonomics, and despite the fan and cooling hardware, it doesn't feel overly bulky. The display is a strength. The OLED panel is 2.4K resolution, about 2400 by 1504, delivers a 165 Hz refresh rate, and very fast touch sampling and instant touch sampling, 240 Hz, even up to 2000 Hz in some modes, so input feels snappy. Peak brightness is high, up to 1/600 nits in bursts, and reasonable visibility under sunlight. For eye comfort, there's high PWM dimming frequency, 5280 Hz, and technologies to reduce blue light strain. Performance is excellent. The Snapdragon 8 Elite plus RedCore R3 Pro combo handles demanding titles well. Games like Genshin Impact, CODM, even visually heavy ones run smoothly, reaching high frame rates in many cases. Thermal cooling is robust thanks to the ICX cooling system, vapor chamber, liquid metal 2.0, a fan, graphene layers, etc., helping keep temps in check under load. The coprocessor RedCore helps with boosting frame rates and reducing frame drops. Software and features: it ships with REDMAGIC OS 10.5 based on Android 15. There's a GameSpace or X-Gravity Gaming Center mode, customizable Magic Key 4 shortcuts, various performance modes, touch enhancements, and low latency input. Audio is good, dual stereo 1620 speakers, with DTS-X Ultra support, dual X-axis linear haptics for more immersive feedback. Cameras are serviceable, fine for video calls and casual use, though not outstanding for photography. Battery life and charging: the 8200 mAh battery is large for a tablet this size. Battery tests show you can get approximate 4 to 5 hours of heavy gaming, depending on brightness, settings, etc. For lighter tasks, video streaming, web browsing, it lasts much longer. The tablet supports 80W fast charging. From early reports, it can hit 50% in about 20 minutes under ideal conditions with the proper charger. Full charge takes around 70 to 75 minutes. Note: charger often isn't included in the box. Gaming experience: in use, the Astra feels excellent. Input lag is minimal, animations and scrolling are smooth thanks to the 165 Hz panel and high touch sampling. Even in long gaming sessions, the cooling system keeps performance consistent, though there are reports of heat building up near the top edge under prolonged session. Some frame drops when pushed hard, but much better than many rivals. Titles optimized for high refresh rate look very fluid. The RGB lighting, sound, and haptics help the experience feel immersive. Dual speakers are loud and clear, audio spatial effects add depth. Cameras for streaming work, but don't expect pro-level photography. Connectivity and extras. USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 with DisplayPort means you can hook it up to external displays. Wi-Fi 6/6E ensures fast wireless, and Bluetooth 5.4 for peripherals. The Magic Key, shortcuts, game space, etc. make gaming-centric workflows easier. There's also RGB backlighting, haptics. Price and value. Pricing starts in the mid-range for gaming tablets. Base models with 12 GB per 256 GB are more affordable. Higher-end 24 GB per 1 TB variants get more expensive. For what you're getting, top chipset, high REFR. OLED, strong cooling, good battery. The Astra offers very strong value for gamers who want performance without going full laptop or console. Some downsides like missing charger, camera quality, software polish slightly reduce value, but overall it's very competitive. Pros and cons. Pros. Stellar display, OLED, high refresh, high brightness. Powerful hardware and gaming performance. Excellent cooling system. Large battery plus fast charging. Immersive audio plus haptics. Portable size, compact gaming tablet versus large 11-12-inch ones. Cons. Heat still noticeable under long, intense gaming sessions. Charger not included in many markets. Cameras are okay but not amazing. Software still has minor bloat/translation or UI polish issues in some languages. No cellular/no 5G in many variants, so connectivity depends on Wi-Fi. Final verdict. If you want a tablet that was built for gaming first, not just as a tablet that can also do games, the REDMAGIC Astra delivers. It hits many of the sweet spots: performance, display, battery. For gamers who want to play the latest titles at high frame counts with responsive touch, this is one of the best Android options available. If you're a casual user focused mostly on media or photography, some of its compromises might matter less, but for its target audience, it's a strong win. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we break down the tech so you can decide what fits you. Stay tuned for more reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.